Ever heard of a crypto exchange that lets you buy Bitcoin with a credit card in under 10 minutes? That's the magic of Newton. But with all the buzz about security and blockchains in the crypto world, one question keeps popping up. What network does Newton use? Today, we're diving deep to crack the code and unveil the mysterious blockchain powering your favorite crypto exchange. Building context, 0:30 to 2 o'clock. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back. Blockchains are like digital ledgers that keep track of every single crypto transaction. Each coin typically resides on its own specific network, kind of like different apartment buildings in a city. Bitcoin has its own network, Ethereum has another, and so on. So, understanding the network behind Newton is crucial for knowing how your crypto is stored and moved. The plot thickens, not your typical crypto exchange, 2 to 3:30. Here's where things get interesting. Unlike most crypto exchanges, Newton doesn't rely solely on a single blockchain. It actually supports a whole bunch of them. Think of it like a universal adapter for your crypto needs. This means you can buy and sell a wide variety of coins, each residing on its own native network. Bitcoin sits on the Bitcoin network, Ethereum on the Ethereum network, and so on. Breaking down the network buffet, 3:30 to 5 o'clock. So, which networks does Newton support exactly? Buckle up, because the list is quite extensive. The big player here is the Ethereum network, also known as ERC20. Most of the popular coins like Chainlink, Aave, and Decentraland use this network, and Newton allows you to trade them with ease. But that's not all. Newton also supports other popular networks like Bitcoin, BTC, Cardano, ADA, and even some lesser-known ones like Phantom, FTM, and Polygon, Matic. The big reveal, why the network matters, 5 to 6:30. Now you might be wondering, why all this network juggling? The answer is simple, flexibility and choice. By supporting multiple networks, Newton caters to a wider range of coins, giving you more options to explore the crypto world. Additionally, different networks offer different advantages. Some, like Ethereum, are known for their smart contract functionality, while others, like Bitcoin, prioritize security. By having access to these diverse networks, you can choose the coins that best suit your investment goals. Addressing the centralized exchange question, 6:30 to 7:30. This multi-network approach might raise a red flag for some. Isn't Newton a centralized exchange, a company that holds your crypto? Yes, that's true. But here's the catch. While Newton acts as a custodian for your coins, the actual storage happens on the underlying blockchain network. So, even though Newton facilitates the transactions, the security of your crypto ultimately lies with the chosen network's robust protocols. The final word, choosing the right network for you, 7:30 to 8 o'clock. So, the next time you're buying crypto on Newton, remember, the network choice is yours. Do some research on the coins you're interested in and understand which network they operate on. This knowledge will help you make informed investment decisions and leverage the power of Newton's multi-network flexibility. Call to action and outro, 8 to 8:15. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Newton's network mystery, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto content. Until next time, happy trading.